Assalamualaikum. Hello everyone. Today I am going to explain you exercise 2.1, which is substituting the expressions. Means you have to substitute the variables by the constants in the given expressions. In question number 1, they are saying you have to copy and complete the workings to find the value of each expression when x is equal to 3 and y is equal to 5. So the first expression in question number 1 is x minus 2y. So we will substitute the value of x and y. So the expression will become 3 minus 2 into 5. First we will solve the multiplication sign according to the BIDMAS rule. So 2 into 5, that will make 10, and 3 minus 10 will be minus 7. So the answer of part A will be minus 7. In part B, the expression is x cube plus x into y. We will again substitute the values of x and y. So the cube of 3 will be 27, plus by multiplying 3 into 5, the answer will be 15. By adding 27 plus 15, the answer of part B will be 42. Okay, part C. In part C, the expression is y2 minus 10x over y. So the value of y is 5 and the value of x is 3. By taking the square of 5, the answer will be 25, and by solving the fraction, minus 10 multiplied by 3 will be 30 over 5. So by solving the expression, 30 over 5 will be 6, and 25 minus 6, the answer will be 19. So the answer of question number 1 part C is 19. Okay, now we are done with question number 1. We are moving to question number 2. The question number 2 is work out the value of each expression when a is equal to minus 2, b is equal to 3, and c is equal to minus 4, and d is equal to 6. So in part A, the expression is b plus d. The value of b is 3 and the value of d is 6. By adding 6 and the 3 and 6, the answer will be 9. So the answer of part A will be 9. Okay, part B. The value of A is minus 2 plus the plus 2 into B. The value of B is 3. First we will multiply 2 into 3, that will make minus 2 plus 6. Minus 2 plus 6. So the answer will be, have different signs. Whenever we have different signs, we will subtract, and the value of and a sign of bigger value, which is 6. So the answer will be 4 of part B. In question number 2 part C, the value of D is 6 and the value of B is 3. 2 into 6 will be 12. 12 minus 3, 12 minus 3 will be 9. So the answer of part C will be 9. In part D, the value of B is 3 and the value of A is minus 2. 4 into 3 will be 12, plus minus 2 into 2 will be 4. So the answer will be, we have different signs, we will subtract, and the answer will be 8 positive, because the bigger value is 12 and the sign of 12 is positive. Part E, the value of B is 3, the value of D is 6, and then we have to minus 10. 3 into 6 will be 18. 18 minus 10 will be positive 8. So the answer of part E is positive 8. H. In H part, D square. The value of D is 6. So square of 6 will be 36, plus the value of A This is 6. The value of A is minus 2 and the value of B is 3. Minus 2 into 3 will be minus 6. So it will be minus 6. So 36 minus 6 will be positive 30. Okay, the answer of part H is 30. I. D divided by 2. D is 6 minus 8 or minus A, and the value of A is minus 2. So 6 over 2 will be 3, and minus minus plus, this will be positive 2. So 3 plus 4 will be 5. Okay, part G. 20 plus B cube. The value of B is 3 and the cube of 3 is 27. So 20 plus 27 will be 47. Part K. The value of A is minus 2 multiplied by value of B. The value of B is 3. Then the sign is plus. C. The value of C is minus 4 and the value of D is multiplied by 6. Okay, minus 2 into 3 will be minus 6 and plus minus 4 into 6 will be minus 24. Minus 6 plus minus 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 6 minus 24. The answer will be minus 30. Last question, part L. Part L I am solving over here. The question is B over C into B into C divided by D. The value of B is 3 multiplied by the value of C is minus 4 divided by D. The value of D is 6. Then plus A. The value of A is minus 2. So 3 into minus 4 will be minus 12. Minus 12 divided by 6 will be minus 2, and plus minus minus 2. So the answer of part L is minus 4. So question number 1 and question number 2 is done from exercise 2.1. We will continue with this exercise in the next video. Thank you so much for watching.